Classics. 1959 Old Super 88 two-door Bubbletop, or also known as a Holiday Scenic Coupe. This particular color, gold mist poly and a Polaris white top. And I believe that would have been the original colors on this car too. The paint code would be PPC, so the P should be for the gold mist poly, and then ending with the C for the Polaris white top. Interior is kind of a champagne cream color, and we'll get around and check that out in a little bit. First, let's go ahead and look at the front grille. Bumper, headlight surrounds. A lot of chrome and bright work on these 59s. Very cool looking body style. Now underneath the hood, 394 Rocket V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Also very nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. If you'd like to see the still pictures, so you can see the engine bay, underside of this car, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, paint shows well on this. I would consider this a frame-on restoration car. Originally came to us from California, FYI. Couple little spots here and there you may find where there's been just a little bit of touch-up paint on them, but overall, again, shows well. Riding on the white wall radial tires. Wide whites at that. Radial tires, going to ride down the road a little nicer than if it had bias on it. Check out the bright work along the side, also in good shape. Take a look at those long body panels. Look nice and straight. And how authentic looking is this? Check out this interior. Seat covers, harkening back to 1959. Maybe protecting some from ice cream cones. Pretty cool. Good original looking interior in this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. You call in or email. Of course, a lot of the 59s are getting that tall fin in the back, where Oldsmobile kind of squashed theirs down and widened it out when they designed this body style, setting them apart a little bit. Take a look at the rear chrome. Bright work back here, also in nice shape. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Peek up and down driver's side. Again, you can see those long panels and how nice and straight they are. Getting the bright work in nice shape. Take a peek at the interior. Now again, this would be original looking interior. The question is, has it been redone or not? It's in such nice condition. I would assume that it has been redone, and then the seat covers were put over it, but boy, it sure looks authentic. Let's go ahead and fire this up, so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Now, as far as playing around with some of the things on the inside, as far as options, I did not get the wiper radio to come on. 72,000 miles, 832. Can't confirm or deny that being original, just due to the fact that once a car is so old, it does not stay in the title. But judging by the looks of this car, that would not surprise me if that's original miles at all. Of course, this would have a very cool speedometer to it, how it would read out. Blower fans for both the heat and the AC worked, had those going. Let's take a look at the rest of this dash. Again, very stock looking. Car runs and sounds very good also. So let's slip around to the back. I want to show you that. I'll show you this headliner too. Headliner's in nice shape. I don't know if there would have been crossbows originally there. You can see where it's a little discolored, but pretty much free of any rips, tears, or holes. Same as the seats. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Pretty quiet. Doesn't appear to be smoking, anything like that. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front, pause this a second so I get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here we go for underneath the hood. Great looking engine compartment. Check this out. Nice and tidy and neat. Everything's all here for the AC. That's how smooth that is. We've watched the videos before, like I say, other ones, lots of times it's what you don't hear underneath the hood. Again, 394 Rocket V8. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. 1959 old Super 88 two-door Bubbletop or Holiday Scenic Coupe, I believe was the official model designation back in 59. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.